Now we have it folded in quarters. I'm going to fold it one more time in half before we put it on our table. And we'll shake that down. Now you just want to take a look at the size of it compared to our template. And let me try instead to fold it the other way and see if that's a little bit better. Okay, there we go. Now this time, when I folded it this way, it matched the size of the shelf exactly, which is great. And we're going to just roll 2 times in on one end, and then 2 times in on the other end, and then you fold 2 together like this, and that will fit very nicely on your shelf.